Jai Gurudev and good morning all the students. Students, in last period we have discussed the physical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now our today's topic is what? Chemical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. But after this period we will discuss haloarene. Therefore I am giving heading only here what? Chemical properties of haloalkanes. Student, what is the meaning of chemical reaction? Chemical reaction. Simply, it is what? Breaking down or breaking of older bonds. Older bonds. Na? If the old bond will not break down, then the new bond will not form. That was what? Breaking down of old bond, and then what? Formation of newer bond. Formation of newer bond or new bond. So the breakdown of old bond and formation of new bond. This is the simple meaning of chemical reaction. Now the first step, what? Breaking of bonds, okay, will depends on some phenomenon. So breaking of bonds depends on what? Nature of compound. Nature of compound, that is, it includes what? Nature and what? Structure of compound. So very first we will discuss what is the nature or structure of compound. Like here, if we say take the example of very simple haloalkane or alkyl halide, what? Ethyl halide. Now we can take example of any of the alkyl halide, but this time I am taking the example of alkyl halide. In this alkyl halide, there is a carbon and a halogen functional group. Now, you know in the previous class that halogen is highly electronegative. Even if we took a simple halogen, then its electronegativity is up to 3 to 4. Okay, while the carbon has electronegativity only what? 2.1. That means what? That means there is remarkable differences between the electronegativity of carbon and halogen atom. Now, so what will happen? The covalent bond is formed between what? Carbon and halogen. There is sharing of 1 electron each. So the electron which is negatively charged is more attracted towards what? Halogen, due to its greater electronegativity. That means what? That means there will be partial shifting of bond pair electron, and if there is partial shifting of bond pair electron, then what will happen? Look at here, the carbon main chain, it will remain intact, but here the partial shifting of electron pair will takes place towards what? Towards halogen. Now if the partial shifting takes place, that is gaining of electron. So gaining of electron acquire with charge? Minus charge. But this is just partial shifting. Therefore, we will write the sign of partial. Similarly, the electron is released from carbon but not completely released. So released, therefore the charge will be plus, but not completely. Therefore, we will put the sign of partial. That means what? That means now the molecule acquires what? Polarity. Polarity means dipole. One of the pole is negative pole, one of the pole is positive pole. This is called a dipole. That means what? There is polarity in CH bond, and the polarity stands for chemical reaction. That is what? Reactivity. So on the basis of it, we can say the possibility of reaction. That is possibility of reaction, or simply what? Possibility of cleavage. So what is the possibility of cleavage? The first possibility what? Possibility of cleavage is CX bond. What? Fraction negative charge, and this is fraction positive charge. Isn't it? So this cleavage is possible. After cleavage, the carbon will acquire what? Complete positive charge, and halogen will acquire complete minus charge. So here it becomes what? Carb cation, and here it becomes what? Nucleophile. Nucleophile. So these nucleophile can be substituted by another nucleophile. Therefore, the name of the reaction is become what? Nucleophilic what? Substitution reaction. So the first type of reaction, that is possible reaction, is what? Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second type of cleavage, that is possibility of second cleavage. Students, look at here in this compound. Now, after polarity, carbon acquire what? Positive charge. This carbon is known as what? Alpha carbon, and its attached carbon is known as beta carbon. So, according to the concept of inductive effect, that is what? Minus I effect. Getting what? The adjacent carbon attached with CX group, okay, will acquire also partial positive charge, and if it acquire partial positive charge, then the hydrogen attached to it, this hydrogen attached to it means the electron pair. Now this electron pair, due to there is positive charge and there is what? Hydrogen, that is electron deficient. This electron pair also gets shifted, that is possibility of shifted towards what? Carbon, to complete its electron deficiency. Thus, on the basis of it, the beta carbon, that means this is called what? Beta carbon, and there is possibility of cleavage of what? This bond. Getting? That means what? Now this is alpha carbon, this is what? Already polar, fraction negative and fraction positive. That means what? Cleavage of X as well as cleavage of H. That is two species can simultaneously eliminates from what? Start karo. Okay, or Rx. Now this reaction is known as what? Elimination reaction. Now this elimination reaction can be also termed as beta elimination reaction. Why? Because the hydrogen eliminates from beta position, therefore called beta elimination reaction. And third one is what? Possibility is what? Rx. Here what? This is halogen, and you know that halogen shows high affinity towards some active metals. Which active metals? Like you can call what? Na and what? Mg. That means what? Rx can also give one more reaction, that is reaction with some active metal. So it will become the third type of possibility, reaction with what? Active metals. Here we will discuss what is reaction and the formation of Grignard reagent. Thank you.